Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Maria Pehiliado. I'm 34 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children. I'm college level. I took a Bachelor Science of Agriculture and Forestry and also a caregiver. I don't have experience as a domestic helper, but I do all household chores like cleaning, marketing, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of my baby.
Okay. And can you tell me the age of your kids?
The oldest kids are 10, and also youngest are 2 years old.
10 years old and 2 years old.
Yes, sir.
And who's going to take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband will take care of my children while I'm working in Hong Kong.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my husband to build my dream house.
I see. Maria Fe, are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
And are you scared of big dogs?
Yes, sir. I'm scared a big dog.
Okay. And do you know any children's song that you can sing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. And do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, please select me, sir, as your helper because I am hardworking, honest, and loyal to you.
Thank you very much, Miss Maria Fe Gileado, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.